Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to make a very delicious dish, that is the Mutton Marag, which is an Arabic dish basically, but which has gained popularity in Hyderabad. In every Hyderabad wedding you can find this as a starter given. It's a very healthy dish which is good for kids, given to even ladies after their postnatal period. You can eat this with any type of bread you prefer, like shirmal, taftan, bread, anything, whatever you like. But I have given a twist over here by adding croutons. So let's get started. I have kept the cooking pot on medium-high flame, and now I'm going to add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. And let's wait for the oil to get heated up. The oil is hot. Now I'm going to add 2 onions sliced, medium-sized onions, and I'm going to keep it on high flame now. I'm going to fry the onions until they become translucent. Meanwhile, I'm going to add half teaspoon peppercorns. The onions have turned translucent. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste. I'm going to fry this well until the raw smell of ginger and garlic fades away. I'm frying it on medium-low flame. Now I'm going to add 500 grams of mutton, medium pieces. I'm going to fry this. Half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon allspice powder, salt as required. I'm going to fry this well on medium-low flame. I'm going to fry until the water from the mutton drains away. It has to completely drain. The water has almost drained and it started to leave oil in the corners. Can you just see? At this point, I'm going to add half cup chopped coriander leaves and half cup mint leaves, and fry them well. Just roasting this. Red chili is not added in this recipe, so I'm going to add half teaspoon black pepper. If you want it more spicy, you can add green chilies instead of red chilies, but not red chili powder. I'm going to add around 1 liter of water. And I'm going to cook this nicely on medium flame. I'm going to cook this for around 45 minutes until the mutton becomes tender and juicy. At this point, you can just adjust your salt. I'm cooking it on pot. If you want, you can pressure cook this for up to 5 to 6 whistles. Meanwhile, what I'm going to do is I've taken around 15 to 18 cashews and 15 to 18 almonds and 5 to 6 cardamoms, and I'm going to grind this to a fine paste. The paste is ready. I added little milk for grinding. It's almost 45 minutes now. Now I'll be adding the dry fruit paste, cashew and almond paste. After adding this, I'm going to cook this on medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Cashew basically thickens this. Marag is basically an Arabic dish. So it's almost 15 minutes now. I feel like it has to be a little bit spicy, so I'm going to add half teaspoon black pepper again. How much pepper you needed, you just adjust your pepper, how much spiciness you prefer. But provided do not use red chili powder. Instead, you can just go for black pepper or green chilies. At this point, you can just add a squeeze of lemon, around a half lemon, and cook for 5 minutes. And just turn off the flame after 5 minutes. So my mutton marag is ready. I'm going to garnish this with croutons. I've given my twist. It's basically eaten with taftan, sheermal, or any type of bread which you prefer. I'm adding croutons on this. That's my way of eating. And I'm going to add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of fresh cream. And lastly, 1 green chili. So my mutton marag is ready. If you like my recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends and family, and also click the bell icon to keep yourself updated with my new recipes.